Hi everyone and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. I'm very excited today because this is a news video. I want just to give you a few updates about the Paperless Movement, where everything is going, what I will do in the future and so on. So this video is not about a new device or something like this. No worries, there will be much more videos coming in the future and much more content coming. Those of you following me on the other channels already knew that something was coming. And before I start telling you about the future of the Paperless Movement, I just want to check who is actually watching the video. Watch this little clip here from an old video I made there and tell me in the comments below if you've been there already and you remember this scene. You can go full screen. Is there a fly on my head? Is that fucking... Oh shit. Gotcha. Sorry, I had to catch a fly. If you remember this clip, then I know that you are here on this channel since 2017. Yeah, this video is from 2017, one of my first videos I ever did. Since then I got so many nice comments from you out there. The Paperless Movement YouTube community is so motivating and keeps me going, keeps me inspired to make new products, new stuff. So if you go to my shop and you see the ebook on Amazon now as well, you see the digital journal I built there. All of this is built together with you. Many of you reached out to me asking me for these things and I created it together with you. I'm sending out surveys. We talk about on the Facebook group what should I do next and what really helps you to go paperless. So in 2018 it was all about the note-taking apps. The ebook is also about paperless note-taking like a pro. For those of you wondering, an update for this ebook will come very soon. I'm aware that I'm mentioning 5 note-taking apps in this ebook and telling you in detail how this works. The other chapters are about general note-taking methods and so on. That's still up to date. But these note-taking apps, so many new features coming to note shelf and notability and so on that I mentioned in this ebook. I want to include this in this ebook. And as promised, everybody who already owns the ebook will get a free update with this new content. I also will try to even put into this ebook much more information in a new chapter. So stay tuned, you will get this update soon. I also published the very first online course now. How to create a digital journal like a pro. Many of you bought this online course and I just created it because you've been asking for it. I asked you, do you need this online course? You answered. 300 of you said yes, we want to have this online course. I built this online course and you're watching it and you're liking it. I'm aware that there's still content missing in there, but no worries, this will come over time and I just want to make sure that I don't lose quality over quantity. It's important to me with the limited time I have, I'm still a one-man show here, to deliver the quality you are used to. And I'm sorry for this when sometimes it takes a bit more time until the content is released. You know, if you follow this channel, you also know that the new digital journal for 2020 is in the making and will be released in the mid of August. So you see there's a lot going on. And if you follow me on the Facebook group, you know that I just made a rebranding of the Paperless Movement. I know many of you like the old logos already, but I thought it has to be something more modern. The new logo is just that. And I also can put it into black and white and so on. I'm sorry for the people in the community who really like the logo, or I also made a survey day for other logos and you liked another logo. But this logo was the favorite of the most of you in the community voting for this logo. It was my favorite as well, and that's the reason why we went for this. I think it's timeless and we can use it in so many situations. The looks represent the movement, letter P and M, so this will be our new logo. And now let's check out the new intro I made with this logo. So I hope you like the new intro, which is quite the same as before obviously, but with the new logo. Now let's go into the very big announcement. It is a sneak peek or it's a teaser or something like that. I made another survey about how you want to get delivered the content and the information I make for you. Obviously, I will keep going with the YouTube channel. I will provide you free information about new hardware and so on. But many of you reach out to me and ask me directly via email if I can help you to go paperless. And I realized many of you have the same problems. You don't even know sometimes where to start on how to go paperless, what to use, what equipment to use, what apps to use. And there are different areas, obviously. There's the area with the note-taking, there's the area with task management, the area with time management. Then there's also collaboration tools, and also the scanning documents, content, references, and so on. There's so many different areas and topics that I need to address when I'm on the phone with you or when I'm on a video call with you. I'm really happy. I like it to make the consulting and help you out and give you all the tips. However, there's so many things where I just repeat myself. And I saw, okay, this could be something many of you could use. I could actually build something that many of you can use to go paperless. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you're already a veteran. The membership site will change everything. If you become a member in this membership site, then you will get access to all the online courses I produced and I will produce in the future. Then there's one more important thing that will be in this membership site. There will be a Q&A call each month. Each month I will go live on a video and all of you in the membership site will have the chance to directly ask me questions and I will give you the answers to help you to go paperless. And there will be a members only forum, and in there you will be able to discuss different topics. And it's awesome, I see this already, 2,000 members in the Facebook group, and you are all awesome, answering questions directly, exchanging experiences I never had. So there's so many of you having already experiences going paperless, and you are sharing all these experiences, but they are just going nowhere. The answer is there and it will fade away. And in this membership group there will be a forum where we will have different topics. We will have categories where we can go for note-taking and in the different note-taking apps, and then you can discuss about the different note-taking apps and so on. Topics that you are really interested in, because we have this Facebook group where we can exchange information and so on. But this is an endless stream of things. People asking things, people answering things, and I tested this already in the beginning of 2018. Maybe some of you remember, I started already a forum. The problem was I wasn't very experienced with building websites and so on, but over the last year I learned so much to build this, and I'm also investing a lot of money that we can build up this membership site so it's really something useful for you and worth the money. It's not about throwing money at me. I want to deliver some things to help you out there to go paperless, to connect with people who are like-minded and who want to go paperless and already made the experience. So please let me know how you think. Go into the description. There will be a link in the description to the survey where you can answer some questions. What you expect from this membership site, what you want to see, what are your fears, what are your worries about the membership site. And I would really appreciate if you could take some time and answer these simple questions. It's not more than 2 minutes, because this will help me again greatly to build a real platform that we all need to have a place where we can go to learn how to go paperless, include myself. I'm learning so much from you out there as well. And what I do is collecting this information and giving it back to the whole community. And this membership site will also contain a roadmap. So once you log in, you will get a roadmap where you see exactly what you need to do to go paperless in the different areas. Maybe you already scanning documents, but you don't know where to put them. Maybe you already have an iPad using it, but you don't know what note-taking app to choose. All these things will be answered inside this subscription. There will be only monthly fees, so you can go away anytime. There will be 100% money back guarantee. If you bought any products from me, that I give you this 100% money back guarantee, because I don't want to have your money if you're not happy with the product. Even if it is digital, everywhere you see, once you download this, you don't get your money back. It's not the case for me, so no worries, no risk. Just check it out and you will see if it is for you or not. I want to mention this now. The membership site is planned to launch December 2019. I really want to take my limited time to make everything right for you. And once this is launched, obviously the membership site will grow together with the community. So for me, that's a really exciting project going on there. I can't wait to start this. I can't wait to be inside this membership discussing with you. I hear it already. Oh no, a membership site, another subscription. I have already so many subscriptions. It will be too expensive and so on. Let me tell you the following. I started in 2017, the end of 2017. So let's say I'm doing this 1.5 years now. And one of the most important things for those of you who know me is to make honest reviews, to deliver really my own opinion and not getting biased. And the new buzzword is the influencer, okay? So the typical influencer is going to Instagram or it's on YouTube and so on. And if you see the big tech channels and so on, I'm not saying they don't have their own opinion, but it is hard to stay on your own opinion when you get sponsored. And that's the point. I got paid via affiliate links. So this was how I make the income from this YouTube channel. And I was using this money through the affiliate links and through my shop from the products you are buying to buy new equipment to make better videos for you, but also and especially buy new technology and apps and software that I can show you on my own opinion how this works. All the stuff you saw, I bought on my own. So you might have seen the review about the scanner last time. The scanner was sent to me, but there was no money sent. I said, okay, you can send me the scanner. I always tell these companies, be aware that you might waste your money on me when you send me a product, because I will tell my community the truth. If I don't like it, I will tell them I don't like it. And that's the thing. That's the reason why I might take the product, but I don't want to have any money. Let's say on the example with the scanner, I will buy the new iX1500 scanner from Fujitsu. I really want to give you the chance and myself to make a clear review and a comparison. And therefore, I want to buy it. And it is around 600 euros, the scanner. I will spend the money. I spend the money buying new iPad Pro, buying new technology with my own money so I can stay on my own opinion. Because I tell you that once I will get paid and I get into this pressure, oh, I can't mention anything bad, I will lose the motivation to do this channel. I will lose motivation to help others. And now we go back to the membership site. So with the membership site, yes, there will be a subscription fee. However, this subscription fee will lead to the possibility that I can still buy new stuff and more expensive stuff. For example, many people of you asking me, I should do a review about the Surface. It is 3,000 euros. I don't have 3,000 euros to go to another device and check it out. I tried to test it on my friends' devices and so on. However, with the new money from the subscription fee, I will be able to do this. I also will take away the ads on my website. In my blog, there will be no ads any longer. There will be only links to products that I recommend to you, that I'm using on my own, or I tested and I said that would be useful for my community. All the adverts from Google and so on will be gone. What I want to say, in the future, once this membership site is up, I will mention it every video that I am sponsored by you. The community, the Paperless movement community. I won't be sponsored by any company, and I will stay this way. And maybe you want to look it up. There are these influencers, and they are called influencers because they're influencing you to buy something they're holding into the camera. And there are people that are called thought leadership. So just hop over to Wikipedia and check out thought leadership. And I just feel more like being this kind of person, that I really tell you my own opinion and my own use cases and really want to show you the things that you really can use afterwards. So I think that's a lot of things we can do all together in the community with the people who are really want to commit to going paperless and so on. I think there is the best way to do this inside a membership site. So there was a lot of information, and I'm sorry that there's no video today about a new device or something like this, but no worries, there will be coming more videos on YouTube for you. But I thought I want to make a video about this topic, especially for my community who are following me, to give you this update, to know what to expect for the rest of the year. And I would really appreciate it to see your comments below, to see if you think that it's good or your worries and so on. Please let me know and we can discuss it there. Okay, thank you very much, and I see you next time.